Hey everybody, today I have my friend's Silverado pickup truck that has an auto start on it, and you use this key fob. It's a Avital alarm, auto start, door lock and unlock, and the battery went dead on it. So now when you try to start the car remotely by pushing the button, nothing happens. And if you watch the parking lights, they flash 9 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, what has happened is the truck has slipped into garage mode where you can program it so the auto start feature doesn't work, so it doesn't hurt anybody working on the car. So to get it out of that mode, you come into the car and you need to find your program button. This program button's right here where the fuse box is, so I dug out the program button. So what you do is you turn the ignition key on and off, and you push the button 1 time within 10 seconds, and now it's going to flash 9 times again to let you know that it's now reset. All right, so now key is off, and let's go ahead and push the button and see if it auto starts. And there you go. So like I said, what has happened on this truck here is that the battery went dead and it slipped into garage mode. So all you have to do is turn the key on, off, press the program button 1 time. The light will flash 9 times and it'll take it out of that mode. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that right there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Please give me a thumbs down if you don't like the videos. Please like and share.